Hello students, so open your textbook page number 299. So chapter number 7, that is the explorer, it is going on. So today we are going to study about the last point of chapter number 7, that is Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama, year is what, 1460 to 1524. So Vasco da Gama is the discoverer of India. It is the discoverer of India. So Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese navigator. So he was also Portuguese navigator. He discovered a sea route from Portugal to the east. What he discovered? He discovered a sea route from Portugal to the east on 18 July 1497. The fleet left Lisbon. Fleet means what? A ship or a group of a ship left Lisbon. Then he sailed along the coast of Africa, rounded the Cape of Good Hope, and crossed the Indian Ocean. Then how was his journey? First he discovered a sea route from Portugal to the east, and on 8 July 1497, his group of the ship left the Lisbon, and then he sailed along the coast of Africa, rounded the Cape of Good Hope, and then after some day Vasco da Gama crossed the Indian Ocean. On 20 May 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut. In Tamil it is called Kozhikode in Kerala. Okay, so when Vasco da Gama reached in the India on 20 May 1498, and where? In Kerala. And what was the name of that village? Calicut, and in Malayalam it is called Kozhikode, where he was welcomed by the local ruler the Zamorin, and by the local ruler. And what is the name of that ruler? Zamorin. He was welcomed to the Vasco da Gama into our country, India. The Gama's voyage resulted in Portugal amazing wealth through spice trade. Okay, and when Vasco da Gama entered in our country, after that what happened? Because of his journey, all Portugal people, they amazing wealth through spice trade. They started spice trade to India, from India to Europe. Okay, तो who discovered India? Vasco da Gama. तो Vasco da Gama को किसने ढूंढा? Sorry student, India. Who discovered the India means India को किसने ढूंढा? Vasco da Gama ने. और on which day? Of 20 May 1498. और वो पहले कहाँ पे आए? कालीकत, केरला में. और मतलब उसके पहले किसी को भी इंडिया कहाँ है वो बिल्कुल मालूम नहीं था. Then Vasco da Gama sailed crossed in the Indian Ocean, and he found sea route to reach to our country, India. Okay, so Vasco da Gama discovered India, and because the Vasco da Gama, all Portugal, all British are they were entered in our country. Why? For the ट्रेड ऑफ स्पाइस. मतलब जो मसाले थे ये हमारे कंट्रीज में ज्यादा ग्रो होते थे. ओके, मीन्स आवर कंट्री इज वेरी फेमस फॉर द स्पाइसेस. सो फॉर दिस ऑल द पोर्तुगल दे entered in our country for the trade of spice. Then see impact of voyages, and what impact was happened in our country because of the journey of Vasco da Gama. The discoveries of sea route resulted in the development of trade between the east and the west. Okay, so Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to reach to the India, and because of this there was a development of the trade between east and the west countries. तो वहाँ पे क्या हुआ? जो ट्रेड रिलेशन, बिजनेस के रिलेशन कहाँ पे बने? ईस्ट कंट्रीज में और वेस्ट कंट्रीज में. European companies set up trading posts in the east, and they used their military strength to protect the trading post. Then what happened? All European companies are set up in our country. Okay, means in our country means in our east side of our country, and they use their military strength to protect the trading post. These trading posts gradually become territories that were governed by European governments or kings. And then what happened? And because of the journey of Vasco da Gama, all trading posts gradually become territories, and all these territories are governed by only European government. All of you know, all the British, they ruled over our country, okay, about 150 years. मतलब जब वास्को द गामा ने हमारे कंट्री को फाइंड आउट किया, बाद में क्या हुआ, जो ब्रिटिश थे उन्होंने हमारे कंट्रीज पे रूल किया. रूल मीन्स व्हाट इज इन हिंदी, आई डोंट नो. उन्होंने हमारे कंट्रीज पे रूल किया अबाउट 150 ईयर्स. ओके, अबाउट 150 ईयर्स. And these discoveries also help in the spread of Christianity. And because of these, Christianity means the Christian religion also spread in our country. Okay, so these are the impact of the voyages, or these are the impact of the journey of Vasco da Gama to the India. So who discovered India? Vasco da Gama. Okay, student. So next is choose the correct answer. The Cape of Good Hope was originally named Cape of Storms. Cape of Storms. And as discovered, opened a new route to where? Africa. Dash led the first expedition that sailed around the world. Magellan. Vasco da Gama discovered a sea route from Portugal to the east. Okay, and Vasco da Gama landed in Dash in Calicut in India. The discoveries helped in the spread of Christianity. Correct. तो इंडिया में पहले क्रिश्चियनिटी मीन्स क्रिश्चियन रिलीजन्स नहीं था. when British they entered, or Vasco da Gama when entered in our country, then after that time Christianity spread in our country. So student, look at this map. See the journey of Vasco da Gama from the Europe to India. See, from Europe he like this way. When he he started his journey from Europe, and then he take a round along the this is the Africa continent. So then he reached to the Africa continent, and then after some days he sailed his boat in the Indian Ocean. This is the Indian Ocean, and then he came to the Kerala, or he reached to the Kerala, Calicut, like this way. Vasco da Gama find out the sea route from Europe to India. Correct? From Europe to, like this way, India. Okay, okay students, so this is the this is called the Magellan route. Okay, this is a Magellan route, Ferdinand Magellan route. And by this sea route Vasco da Gama entered from Europe, or it is called Portugal, from Portugal to the India. Okay, so student, read this point again. If you have any difficulty, we will discuss in our Friday online class, and complete your homework. Thank you students.